All right, looking at number 53. We know that P, Q, and R, and this symbol right here in between both of them means parallel. Okay? That does not mean congruent. Don't misunderstand it with congruent. When we talk about parallel lines, you should think of the angles between parallel lines. Okay, that's what we really want you to be thinking about. So we're going to use, some of those angles to figure out what x is. And it's kind of like a puzzle. There's not one way to get there, but we need to work our way over so we can figure out what this is. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tell you every time I write an angle why I'm writing that angle. I know that if this is 40 degrees, then this one has to be 40 degrees. And I know that because they're vertical angles. All right, so now that I know that this one's 40 degrees, I'm going to go ahead and pick a different color. I know that this one is 40 degrees, and so is this one. And the reason I know both of these red angles are 40 degrees is because of the corresponding angle theorem. They're corresponding between parallel lines, which means they're congruent. All right, knowing that this is 40 and this is 55, I can now use something else. Specifically, I can use the triangle sum theorem to determine that these have to add up to 180 degrees. So 40 plus 55 is actually equal to 95, which makes this angle 180 minus 95 makes that other angle 85 degrees. So this one right here is 85 degrees. All right, working my way back down the other side of the triangle. Hopefully green you can see. If this one's 85, then this one's 85, right? Because they're corresponding angles. Yet again. And finally, if that one is 85 all the way over there on the left, then x has to equal 85. And the reason we know that is because they are vertical angles.